Alright, let's start the Euro USD from daily. So again, we are currently sitting at this stability gap. At the same time, we do have an order block from weekly. And yesterday, price has taken the low of the day before. So it is a quite range bound price action. Obviously, my bias is still bullish. I will be looking for bullish setup. But if I take a look at the how much probability I do have on this one, then I would say not a good one, because again H4 is reacting bearish from this fair value gap or this order block once again. At the same time, it is also sitting at this bullish PDRA. So we are kinda range bound area right now, and H1 is the same thing. So if I prioritize daily, then I would say if price take the liquidity below this one, maybe reach this order block, then shift the structure toward bullish, then yep, I might take a look. I might take an entry toward this area. So that's the thing that I'm thinking about Euro USD right now. And if I take a look at GBP USD, which is looking far greater than Euro USD, because this one it has clear fair value gap. Meanwhile, where Euro USD has reached toward this area, GBP USD is still struggling to move below that fair value gap. So yeah, GBP USD is quite bullish in terms of this one. Also, if you take a look at this H4 thing, H4 has shifted the structure toward bullishness. I would say it is still in kind of range bound, but still GBP USD seems stronger toward bullish direction. And we do have something like power tree or anything, whatever you say. But if you take a look at the M15, then same thing as Euro USD. I do want to see a see possibilities and market structure shift evolve. After that, we would like to go with whatever they say. But yeah, that's the thing on GBP USD and Euro USD right now. GBP USD is quite bullish than Euro USD, so I think I might be going with GBP USD today if there's the answer of that. So yeah, that's it. No news for today. So see how things turn out, and I'm being very selective right now because I'm in a huge drawdown, and if I lose this one, then I might get fucked up for some time. So I have to be very careful with which one I take. So today is 23 of April, and yesterday my bias was bullish, but as you can see, that candle ended up being bearish. So yeah, my bias was wrong yesterday, or let's say it is what it is. But if I take a look at the lower time frame, then as I have said, price is reacting from this H1 order block, from which yesterday during my session price ended up having a simply lovely market structure shift, as you can see on this one. Asia, New York sweep, and then some kind of just let's say manipulation zone, market structure shift, retest, distribution. And during my session I got this like, I could have executed on this one, and then another distribution, a huge one. So the only reason I didn't execute on this one, I was looking at, I was pretty much confirmed that I'm going to be short after watching this whole huge move toward downside. So I had put everything, let's say my plan was to sell from this area, but then I was like, okay, why not, let's get a good entry. So my first plan was to sell from here, but then I was start planning to sell from here, which is quite unrealistic, because this zone is a strong one, and which price didn't let the price through. So yeah, overall, long story short, I missed the whole move. First of all, my bass was wrong. Then when market proved me wrong, I wasn't able to execute because of my greed, or let's say my ego to have good entry. But one thing is, I was planning to short with 0.5%. As you can see on this one, today is low probability, so risk uh, whatever 0.7% for long and 0.5% for short. I would have executed on 0.5. Would have, could have, should have, whatever it is. But end of the day, it just I just missed the move. That's the thing. So yeah, that's it for yesterday. And today I'm really pretty much confirmed that bias is bearish, and we are pretty much looking to target this area, as you can see on this one. Okay, this area is what we are looking to target pretty much, and maybe after that this fairly gap or this area. So yeah, we are pretty much bearish right now. So let's see how things turn out. Even though yesterday was a huge mistake, I'm really feeling bad for making such a mistake. So yeah, that's it.